telling people bring your list. Now for here, you can bring whatever list you want to bring. We don't care if you're talking about the personal products, commercial driving. We don't care if you're recruiting. But where we can truly help you is small business and employee group. See, because there's three levels of learning, right? There is I tell you, I show you, then you do it, right? But most people go from I tell you to I do it because they don't have a way to have somebody do it and show them how to do it. So we give you the ability to do it. If you're already working with a field trainer, your field trainer should be able to help you. But if you're not working with a field trainer and you need something today while you're making calls today, Teresa Johnson has already put in the chat how to reach out to us and get on our schedule so that we can actually help you. Because we want to show you what it looks like. We don't just want to tell you to go do it. That's cute, but that don't work for most people. We want to be able to show you this is what we're doing, this is how we're doing it, this is what we're doing it, here's what we say, and then not just tell you here's what we say, show you here's what we say. What I have found is that people get more value from watching it being done than they'll ever get from me telling them how to do it. And so you have the ability to get Ed Schumer